Hey, what's up, guys? So, today I'm going to show you how you can change your Snapchat appearance from light to dark. How you can change your Snapchat into dark mode. So, first of all, you have to go into your Snapchat, head over your profile, go to settings, and see here app appearance. This is your app appearance. Tap on that. Here you got the option always dark. Tap on it. It will ask for a restart. Restart it now and now your Snapchat has been turned into dark mode. Here you can see it is always dark. So thank you. This was my video on how to change your Snapchat into dark mode. Please subscribe and like this video for further information.